Yo, what's up, everybody? Today's Monday, December 8th. Market open is now pushing its way all the way down towards this new week opening gap. Passes 4 hour, possibly into this 4 hour order block. Where is it? 4 hour order block, possibly. We're tapping into that new week opening gap. 10 minutes until this 1 hour closes. We made an SMT at these highs on here, but I still think price is probably going to continue its push up buy side here. We still got this huge gap as well, so probably gonna wait until 10 a.m. to see how price wants to react. We've got this 1 hour fair value gap. We could end up getting some sort of push. To the upside. Took a lot of sell side. Still kind of respecting this new week. We're just gonna wait here to see if we get market structure shift to the upside and take a trade off of that. So, hello now, everybody. So it's now 10 a.m. and we did not inverse this 4 hour. We're still respecting it by a little smidgington. Now we're gonna see if we get some sort of structure shift to the upside, or if we want to continue our way down. Which is possible, of course. Or if we want to continue our way upwards. Now we have this breaker block on the 1 hour. We could be pushing up and tapping into to continue lower. Still technically inside of this range. So I'm gonna wait until we get some type of movement, because we could end up taking this sell side down here to then push our way up. If we end up breaking above this high in the 5 minute, then I will take an entry off that towards this high, New York AM high. No, actually towards previous day high, probably. Actually, I don't know, because London high is untapped on ES, but we could target that as well. But we'll have to just be patient and see, because we have this 2 hour aligned with this 1 hour. Alright, so just gonna wait and see how price makes a shift on the 5 minute. I'll update if we get an entry. Consolidation. So we're kind of consolidating here after we tap this 1 hour, 2 hour breaker. Order block on the 1 hour breaker on the 2 hour. I still have confidence this is gonna go higher. We're kind of just making an SMT at these lows. What if we take this on NQ? I'll probably have to switch my bias to bearish, seeing as we just tapped that order block and breaker block. We could definitely go down and take sell side. We got a few sell side levels right here, so these are all like previous day session highs as well, so could be a draw. But I'm thinking this could go higher, so we're gonna wait until this high gets broken past, or this high, either of these highs, boom, to then take a long. But if we do take this low on NQ, then I will probably switch my bias. Alright, so I'm taking this trade based off of the higher time frame structure with this 4 hour below, just towards this sell side, because what I saw on the 4 hours that we have this 4 hour shift, or this 4 hour range right here, aligning equilibrium with that 4 hour fair value gap down here. So, and after we just tapped that 2 hour gap, it looks to me like this is bearish, but I'm just taking at the first sell side really available, just to go ahead and take down here. Now we just took these lows right here on ES, but I'm still thinking price could end up pushing its way down. And of course we have that fair value gap on the 1 hour that we could end up tapping. So that is in itself, you know, could form a reaction, but realistically speaking, I believe this could go down back to this new week opening gap, previous day low on ES, just to take, you know, equilibrium of this range. Four-hour range looks pretty clean, so to me it looks clean. Of course, who really knows, to be honest, but this doesn't look bad to me. Off that 2 hour shift as well, so I ended up taking it. Bit of a quick trade entry, just market ordered, but it looks clean to me personally. And we just ended up closing lower as well, so that's actually good confluence to end up continuing lower. Nice order block entry. 2 minute looks clean. It's not bad. I don't know. Personally, not a bad trade idea to me. We'll see how price reacts off this 1 hour, but I do believe sell side liquidity will be taken just to try to reach equilibrium down here at this 4 hour, which is unfilled. We got New York PM lows as well. We got this SMT at the highs, kind of sort of just giving us further confluence of bearish price action. And we did just tap that 1 hour, so we're gonna have to see how price reacts. Go ahead and trail my stop loss to right there, maybe. Seeing as price could continue its way lower, but that 1 hour could end up messing us up, so we really don't know. price wants to react off of this. Just gonna watch the lower time frame, see if we end up closing above structure or we want to end up continuing lower. I'll update though. Alright, so price did end up pushing its way down. Now, off that sell side, I'm just taking it off only because it is New York AM low from the previous day. So, you know, high time frame, not high time frame, but previous day session liquidities do offer reactions, and I'd rather just take it there than take it at this 4 hour. Even though I am confident price will push down to this 4 hour, as well as this 4 hour order block to give us a reaction, because this daily is here and this is this a new week? No, this new day. But you know, all I'm really doing is targeting 1-on-1s. So my confluence this day was, you know, I think we are going bullish, right? But we still need to form a retracement, possibly taking sell side in the process. So we end up pushing at this 4 hour. We respect that 4 hour, but then afterwards we end up pushing up to this 1 hour, 2 hour order block / breaker block. Moving our way lower, we consolidate. This is the moment where I want to wait, see if we end up pushing up. We do not. We end up pushing down. We break structure to the downside. We actually take this low pretty fast. Then we end up closing, and I believe right here I end up taking a trade off of that order block. But I could have held, yeah. This would have been a decent trade to take lower. Better that I took off though than I didn't. You always want to take off, but yeah. Anyways, that's the trade for the day. I'm pretty much done today. Slowly trying to regain my losses. 1.1 thousand now, so I was very close to my goal, but I failed last week. So, but the thing is, I can come back. I can come back. I know I can. Anyways, I want to see what this would be. This would be like a 2 to 2 to 1. This would be a very decent trade. I'm not gonna lie. Very decent. Anyways, the original trade was to this high, I believe. But yeah, so price pushing its way down to that daily order block. Decent. Thanks for watching.